What if I told you that copper, the same metal used in your house wiring, is powering India's future and creating multi-crore opportunities behind the scenes? While most focus on steel, cement, and gold, copper is becoming the silent growth engine for industries like EVs, green energy, and infrastructure. Copper demand to double by 2030, a huge industrial opportunity. And guess what? If you're not paying attention to India's copper industry right now, you're already behind. At NIIR, we've helped businesses enter sectors like copper with 30-45% higher ROI. Our insights come from government reports, industry interviews, and real market data, not just theory. What is copper and why is it important? Copper is a reddish-brown metal that conducts electricity and heat extremely well. It's used everywhere, from mobile phones to electric vehicles, from house wiring to railway electrification. Common copper products: wires and cables, plumbing pipes, electrical motors and generators, printed circuit boards, PCBs, alloy products like brass and bronze. Copper production in India. India is not self-sufficient in copper, but we do have strong refining and smelting facilities. Major producers: Hindustan Copper Ltd, HCL, the only vertically integrated copper producer in India. Sterlite Copper and Hindalco, major players in smelting and refining. Annual production 2024 tilled 5 lakh tons, but India imports 40-50% of its refined copper. This gap is a huge business opportunity. How is copper produced? Simple 3-step process. Step 1: mining, digging copper ore from mines in Jharkhand, MP, and Rajasthan. Step 2: smelting, heating the ore to get pure copper. Step 3: refining, making it ready for industries like EVs, solar, and electronics. Rising demand and growth of copper. With rapid urbanization, Make in India, and EV adoption, copper demand is rising fast. EVs need 4x more copper than regular vehicles. Solar panels, wind turbines, and batteries use tons of copper. Smart cities and housing projects rely heavily on copper wiring. India's copper demand is expected to double by 2030. Benefits of investing in the copper industry. High demand plus low supply is equal to big opportunity. Backed by government policies and green energy goals. Copper has a recyclable value. 100% recyclable without quality loss. Huge potential for exports to global markets. Essential for 5G EVs, railways, and construction. Top 4 big challenges in copper production in India. Not enough copper mines. India doesn't have enough good quality copper mines to supply what the country needs. Big copper factories shut down. Important plants like Sterlite in Tamil Nadu were closed. So now we make less copper in India. We import too much copper. We buy a lot of copper from other countries, which can be risky and costly if prices go up or supply is delayed. Strict pollution rules. It's hard to start or grow copper businesses because of tough rules to protect the environment. If you're thinking, how can I take advantage of India's copper boom? That's where NIIR comes in. Over the past 30+ years, we've helped hundreds of businesses enter emerging industries across India, including sectors like copper, renewable energy, and EV components. Some of our clients started as small ventures and scaled to multi-crore operations by focusing on opportunities just like the ones we've discussed today. Here's how we can help your business. Detailed Techno economic feasibility reports. Comprehensive market research tailored to your goals. Equipment, raw material, and manpower planning. Complete project financials with profitability analysis. Step-by-step guidance to enter the copper market with confidence. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on opportunities.